Obviously, to do tractoring, I'd need a tractor. So on day one, I set off to my local dealership. Quite like this one, look, the Super Major. There are worse names. What horsepower's that got?
45 horsepower.
It's a bit feeble.
Oh, it fed the country.
Yeah, no, but people didn't eat very much in those days. What's the most power? What's that got, horsepower-wise?
Well, that would be about 65 horsepower.
And is that the most powerful one here?
Yes. Yeah.
65 horsepower?
Yes.
Having finished my test drive, I made a decision and bought this. This is a Lamborghini R8. Oh my God, this